Good morning from the Expert Trade Ideas team. Here's your pre-market desk summary for Wednesday, 21st of May, 2025. Global markets are moving cautiously this morning as trade tensions, economic concerns, and geopolitical risks continue to weigh on sentiment. President Trump's Liberation Day tariffs are facing legal challenges from 12 U.S. states. They argue the emergency powers law was misused, with Oregon estimating the tariffs could cost the average American family $3,800 per year. Trade talks with China are ongoing. While some tariffs have been temporarily reduced, China is emphasizing multilateralism and long-term negotiation strategies. Meanwhile, the dollar is weakening across the board, with the yen, euro, and pound all gaining strength. Gold has pushed up to $3,311 an ounce, its highest level in over a week. Treasury yields remain elevated, and Moody's recent downgrade of the U.S. credit rating has brought more focus to the nation's $36 trillion debt load. In the background, oil is climbing more than 1% amid reports of Israel preparing strikes on Iranian nuclear facilities. Japanese bond markets remain volatile, and G7 finance ministers are meeting in Canada with a focus on trade and dollar strength. Now let's get into what matters most: trading opportunities. These are the top 5 high-probability setups on the desk today. Top pre-market volume movers, key day trade setups. D-Wave Quantum, ticker QBTS. Pre-market volume is surging at over 13 million shares. It's gapping up 2% with an average true range of 8.38% and extreme volatility at over 30%. Price is holding above VWAP, and the major level to watch is 1825. If it holds above 1650, there's potential for a breakout to 1825 and possibly 19. If it fails below 16, look for a fade down to 15. Risk is tight near VWAP. This is a breakout momentum setup. Next up is NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. Pre-market volume is solid at over 1.1 million shares, gapping down slightly, average range at nearly 4%, and sitting just below VWAP. Major level to watch is 133. If price reclaims 134.50, there's a high probability squeeze toward 137. If it rejects, look for a fade toward 130. Risk is tight around 133. This is a trap reversal and bounce setup. Third is Rigetti Computing, ticker RGTI. Over 1 million shares traded pre-market, gapping slightly up with nearly 9% range and strong volatility at 10%. The pre-market candle is a shooting star, long upper shadow, indicating potential exhaustion. Price is hovering near VWAP. If it rejects near 12, it's a clear short opportunity down to 1120. Only go long if it breaks out with volume above 1210. This is a fade and reversal play. Next is WeRide, ticker WRD. 1 million shares in volume, gapping up slightly. Average range is over 13% and volatility is high at over 10%. The pre-market pattern is a bullish engulfing, and price is above VWAP. The major level to watch is 864. If it holds above 845, we could see a push to 9 or higher. If it drops below 820, look for a fade to 780. Risk is tight near VWAP. This is a breakout setup. Finally, United Health Group, ticker UNH. Just under 1 million shares in volume, gapping down nearly 2%. Average range is nearly 7%. Volatility is elevated. Price is currently below VWAP, with a key inflection point at 321.75. A fade below 322 could unwind into 315 or even 310. If it reclaims 323, the short is off the table. This is a high beta fade setup. These are the names on watch for today's session. Precision, timing, discipline. If you found this helpful, like, follow, share, and subscribe. Stay sharp. We'll see you on the screens at www.expertrated.com/live trading.